Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to search images on WhatsApp. So let's get started with the video. So if you're looking for images from a specific conversation, just go on the chat in your WhatsApp, that particular chat, and then click on the chat name that you will see basically on the top side. Here you need to click on select media links and docs. Here you will get an option of media where you will see all the shared images over here. If you don't remember which chat the image is in, you can open the WhatsApp, tap on the search bar that you will see at the top of the screen, and then you can select the photos to filter image result, and here you can browse the results to find the image. So also the WhatsApp automatically save the images to your devices. So when you will go in your galleries or Google Photos, you will find a WhatsApp folder. And if you're using an iPhone, you can open the Photos app and check the WhatsApp album. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.